Hello guys, in this video we talk about data types in Python. First of all, what is data type? Data type is a type of data value and it specifies the type of value. And in Python programming language and other programming language, every value has one type of data type. Example, here we have string data and numeric data. The string data act as a string data type and numeric data act as a numeric data type. Like this, any data value act as their suitable data type. But for now, we are going to talk about 4 data types. This 4 data type is mainly used in Python. Now first data type is string data type. Here in Python, when the set of characters or text is placed between the quotes, that is called string. Here strings are defined by the single quotes or double quotes. Example, single quotes name is the same as double quotes name. Here this name character is had between the quotes, so it is a string data type. Now in the string data type, we are going to discuss about 4 topics in string data type. Now first topic is assign string to a variable. You can assign a string to a variable is done with the variable name followed by an equal sign and the string. Variable name equal to double quotes text. Example, here I am going to create a simple string that is double quotes, my name is star Allah. Now store this string in a variable. Once you store data you can do different things. So here I am going to do store this data in a x variable. So x equal to, now I want to print the value of this x variable with the print statement. So in new line, print parenthesis variable name x. Now run, double click on this editor. Go to run Python string. Here we got my name is star Allah. Now get this data value of data type with the type function. Here this type function is to get the data type of any object or any data value. So in new line, type parenthesis. Inside type parenthesis, give the variable name which is contain the data value. So here I give the x. Here we get the data type of this x variable. Now print this data type. So print parenthesis. Now rerun. Here we got class string. Here str means string. So this x variable value is string data type. And you can assign a multi-line string to a variable by using the 3 double quotes or 3 single quotes. Example, here we have single line string. Now in this string I am going to add the multi-line text with 3 double quotes this is multi. So it is a multi-line string is assigned to this x variable. Now run. See, we got multi-line string text and we got data type is a string. And you can also assign 2 different strings into a new variable like this. Here we have 2 different variables with different string values. Now combine these 2 strings into a new variable. Example, here I am going to create a new string is x equal to double quotes star Allah. And another string message equal to double quotes I am. Now here I am going to combine these 2 strings in a new variable is in new line text equal to. Okay, here I combine these 2 strings into this text variable, but here I want to print first this string. So message. Now add the string variable with the plus symbol. So plus x. Now print the result of this text variable. So in new line, print parenthesis text. Okay, now run. Here I am star Allah. And you can also add space between them. So we just do after plus symbol double quote space, after double quotes plus symbol. Now run. Here we got space between this string and this string. Now combine strings and numbers. Okay, I'm gonna add new variables. That is here I add age equal to 20. Here I wanted to combine these 2 strings. So here I will change this variable name age. Now rerun. Here we got error, that is Python combines string to string, not only integer. Don't worry about this error, I will solve this problem in next topic. Now second topic is string format. We can combine strings and numbers by using the format method. Example, here in this program I want to combine this string and this number into this text string. So here I am gonna remove this and add the format method dot format parenthesis. Inside format parenthesis give this number variable. So I give the age and add placeholder where you want to insert the specified value. Here inside the string I want to insert this value by using the format method. So I am gonna add space curly braces. Okay, here how format method works. The format method takes the specified value like numbers or other objects and format them to the string and insert them inside the string placeholder. The placeholder is defined using curly braces. Now rerun. Here we got I am 20. We successfully combined strings and numbers. And you can also format the unlimited number of arguments or specified values and insert them into the respective curly braces. Okay, here we have two variables values, that is string and number values, and here I am gonna add the new values is qualification equal to double quotes student, and change the message content. Here I copy this and paste it here 2 times. Okay, now we have 3 values and 3 placeholders. Here I want to insert these 3 values into these placeholders. So here I just do add variable name separate by comma in format method. So comma x comma qualification. Here this age value insert this placeholder and x value insert this placeholder and qualification value insert this placeholder. Now run. Here we got I am 20, I am starla, I am student. And you can also use index number to insert the values in a correct placeholders. Here this variable is placed as a index number, like this variable index number is 0 and this variable index number is 1, this 2. Like all index values are for how many variables there are. So here I give index numbers inside this placeholder. The first value I want to insert this value, so 1, and second placeholder I want to insert this value, so 0, and last placeholder I want to insert this value, so index 2. Okay, now run. Here we go. I am starla, I am 20, I am student. Like this we can combine strings and numbers. Now third topic is access elements. We can access elements from the string by using their index numbers. This is also called as slicing strings. Example, if you want to create a string, first of all you have name it something, a variable name, that you create a meaningful name, that is example planet is equal to double quote Earth. Now when you store this as a string, the right Python interpreter is think of this table right here, planet string. So we have the elements here EA or TH. It is same as this value specified here, and to each element there is an index number. So the index starts 0 and moves 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the future if you want to access index 0 of our planet string, we can just do planet, put 0 between 2 square brackets. If you want to access second elements, then we put 1 between 2 square brackets, and so on. So basically in the way you access any element, you put the variable name followed by index numbers between 2 square brackets. This is very simple and very powerful. Now I wanna show you very quick example. Okay, now I am going to our code editor, which is called PyCharm. In this code editor we have Python string file. First of all, in this file I am gonna create a string and we're gonna call planet. equal to, and again remember that the value is put between two quotes. So I'm gonna put double quotes value air. Now let's try to access first element of the string in a new variable. So we just do new line. Here new variable is x equal to planet square bracket. Inside square bracket put the index number is 0, and then put 0 between two square brackets to access the first element of the string, which is e. Now print the result of this x variable. So print parenthesis x. Now run. Here we got e characters. Here I showed an example how access element from the string. Now again, if you want to access second element, which is here, we just do put one between square brackets. Now run. See, we got a character. And again access which is t, the index number is 0, 1, 2, 3. So we put the value index 3. Now run. See, we got t character, and we can also access backward to string. So we put -1. Now rerun. We got the h, which is last element. Okay, like this we can access elements from the string by using the index numbers. This is small information of selecting string, and I discuss more about string in our future videos. Now fourth topic is string methods. In this video we talk about some methods for using string data type. Now first method is capitalize method. The capitalize method is make the first character is uppercase and another character is lowercase. Now example, here I am going to create a string and it call the message. So message equal to double quotes Python is powerful. Now we use the capitalize method to this string. So in new line, message dot capitalize parenthesis. Now store the result of this string after use the capitalize method in a new variable. So x equal to, now print the result this x variable, print parenthesis x. Now run. See here we got the first character is uppercase and another letter is lowercase. Now second method is upper method. The upper method is make the all characters is uppercase. Example, here I am gonna change the method is upper, and we have print statement to print the result. So now run. We got all uppercase letters. Now third method is title method. The title method makes the first letter of each word in our string a capital letter. Example, here we have message string, and here I am gonna change the method is title, and we have print statement to print the result. So now run. We got the first letter of each word in our string is capital letters, capital P, capital I, capital P. Now fourth method is lower method. The lower method makes the all characters is lowercase. Example, here I am gonna change the message content. Python is powerful, and change the method is lower. Now run. See, we got all characters is lowercase. Now fifth method is count method. This count method is count the number of values appears in the string. Example, here in the string I am gonna add the new value is Python, and here I am gonna change the method is count. Inside this count parenthesis, give the values which is you want to know the how many times appears in the string. Here I give Python, double quotes Python. Okay, we have print statement. So now run. We got value 2. It means the Python value appears 2 times in the string. Now second data type is numeric data type. In any programming language, not only in Python, numeric data type play important role in programming. Generally, we have three main numeric data types. In Python also we use these numeric data types. Now what is numeric data type? The data value which has numeric value is called numeric data type. And in this data type we have three types of numerics type. First one is integer. An integer is a whole number that can be positive, negative or zero numbers without decimal number point is called integer. Example, here I am gonna create a simple integer is 10. It is an integer. Now store this data value in a variable. Example x equal to. Now print this value. So print parenthesis x. And here print this data type with the type function. So type parenthesis. Inside type parenthesis give the variable name. Here I give the x variable. Now print the type of the x variable. So print parenthesis. Okay, now run. Here we got numeric value and int data type. And you can also give the negative integers. Example, here I give the negative operator and again run. Here negative value is also a integer. Now second one is float. A float is a whole number that can be positive, negative or with the decimal point is called float. Example, here I am going to add point value for the data like 0.5 and remove this. It is float. Now run. See, we got float and we got data type of this value is float data type. And you can also give the negative float. So minus and run. It is also float. Now third one is complex. Complex numbers are written with a j at the imaginary part. Example, here I am gonna remove this value and give the number with a j like 10j. It is complex number. Now run. Here we got data type of this value is a complex data type. Now fourth topic is using Python as a calculator. The interpreter of Python acts as a simple calculator also. When we use normal calculator, we can do mathematical problems like adding, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Like that, here in Python also we can do such operations. Example, here I am gonna add the two numbers with the plus symbol like 5 plus 5.0. Now store this addition operation in a variable. Here I give the x variable. So x. Now print the result of the x variable. Print parenthesis x. Now run. See, we got 10.0. We successfully adding these two data type of numbers. It is only example for how to calculate in Python. Now again I calculate with minus operator. Here I change minus and rerun. See, we got 0.0. And you can also calculate the mixed operators between operands like this. Example, here I add the multiplication operator and plus operator. So multiplication 4 plus operator like 6. Now rerun. See, we got minus 9. The result of this value is minus 9. Like this, we can calculate the number by using the Python. If you want to do more information about using Python as a calculator, I give a link in the description below. Check that link.